And good evening now. Thanks for being with us. The Southern Poverty Law Center has come out with their latest report on organizations that they label as hate and extremist groups. And it shows a growth for hate groups in the state of South Carolina. News 19's Peyton Lewis tells us more.
JR, according to a report published earlier this month, the Southern Poverty Law Center found that the number of hate groups in South Carolina has risen from 17 to 30 in the last year, with more than half of these groups being Moms for Liberty chapters. A new hate map from the Southern Poverty Law Center published earlier this month claims hate groups are growing in the state of South Carolina, with the majority of them being a group called Moms for Liberty. The Southern Poverty Law Center is a nonprofit legal advocacy organization specializing in civil rights and public interest litigation. They're based in Montgomery, Alabama, and known for legal cases against white supremacist groups and for its classification of hate groups. Moms for Liberty is a conservative nonprofit group that advocates for less government involvement and more parental control when it comes to public education. The group claims to be against school curriculums that mention LGBTQ+ rights, race, critical race theory, and discrimination. Southern Poverty Law Center classified Moms for Liberty as, quote, anti-government, which the Law Center believes can be constituted as a hate group. The Law Center says Moms for Liberty, quote, grew out of opposition to public health regulations for COVID-19, opposes the LGBTQ+ and racially inclusive school curriculum, and the center shows 15 chapters of Moms for Liberty in South Carolina on their hate map. On Monday, attorney Christopher Kenny explained what hate speech and hate groups actually are under First Amendment law.
Essentially, unless speech presents an imminent threat of harm, there is a, quote, what we call a clear and present danger of some type of violence, or unless speech is part of some criminal conspiracy. Otherwise, speech is broadly protected in this country.
In a statement to News 19, Moms for Liberty said, quote, empowering parents continues to be our mission today, and that has fueled our organization's growth. Name-calling parents who want to be a part of their child's education as, quote, hate groups or, quote, bigoted just further exposes what this battle is all about. We reached out to the Southern Poverty Law Center for further comment and an explanation on this year's map, but they were not available. Reporting in Columbia, Peyton Lewis, News 19 WLTX.